Even prior to the coronavirus pandemic, many international organizations such as the OECD or the World Travel and Tourism Council had identified the mega trends in order to redesign and reinvent the tourism destination, especially, for example, the committing to innovation and digitalization, adopting new technologies, the high levels of environmental and health-related risks, or, for example, the increased awareness with regards to sustainability and social awareness in general, especially to climate change. In this context, the effects or the impacts of the coronavirus pandemic on the planet and especially in the tourism industry has been amazing. Many tourism destinations depend on the arrivals of international tourists, and this coronavirus crisis has led to many DMOs and destination management organizations and destinations to try to adapt and reinvent and to identify the need to create new measures in order to redesign the marketing strategy and the tourism supply in the tourism destinations. The first session focuses on the role of destinations, on the role of the destination management organization in recovering international tourism after the COVID pandemic. In fact, especially we will focus on identifying the short-run and medium-run measures adopted by destination and DMOs in their trying to recover the tourism after the pandemic. We will begin the session with the first speaker, who is Dr. Enrique Navarro. He's a professor at the University of Malaga. He's in charge of the research unit into tourism intelligence and innovation, and he will make several proposals. He will identify several proposals to boost the sustainability and digitalization of tourism destinations after the pandemic. Then we will have two speakers for two main tourism destinations, from two mature destinations, one speaker from the Canary Islands and another speaker from the Balearic Islands. From the Canary Islands, we'll have Yaiza Castilla. She is the Regional Minister of Tourism and Industry and Commerce of the Government of the Canary Islands. And then we will have Francesc Mateu. He's the Managing Director of the Balearic Islands Tourism Strategy Agency. Both of them will try to focus and present the main marketing strategies and measures adopted by both destinations to create employment and businesses and to promote businesses in order to recover tourism after the pandemic. And finally, we'll have the vision of the business sector. We'll have a fourth speaker. He will be the Sales Director of RTM Hotels, Guillermo Diaz, who will talk about the corporate social responsibility of tourism companies in the new reality and the measures implemented by this hotel company in order to recover tourism.